You stay.
All right, Grandpa's doing your video.
Get out, guys. Here you go.
How many do you have, Aubrey?
One.
Just one? Happy as can be in their little
And
tent?
he's like chilling right here.
Yeah.
He's cute. Boingy. Nope,
There you go.
Come here. I love baby chickies. I never had one before.
I know, it's amazing
Let me
how
see your baby
big they're
chicken.
getting.
They sure are getting
Cuter
big.
and cuter every
Oh!
day. There's our first poop.
Where's that one?
Yeah, there's also some on your towel.
Oh,
Can
I
you
was
see it?
lucky.
You sure were.
Good it didn't poop on my sock.
Yeah.
Look at this just laying on its side on their leg.
Just chilling.
All right, smile.
Look at the cheeky.
Say bye, Grandpa.
Bye, Grandpa.